Hello, question number 18 of the verbal ability practice series, Parajumbles. It is said that India has always been in a hurry to conform to the Western thought, especially the American. Okay, sounds like a generic sentence. Even the smaller countries have the guts to take a firm contrarian stand if they feel the policies happen to compromise their country's interest. Now, please note, even the smaller countries, this comparison must be with India, thereby making AB a concrete pair. All right. Sentence C, it's one thing to sprout theories on liberalization and entirely another to barter the interests of the nation in its name. Now, this is even more generic or general sentence than sentence A. Therefore, C should precede A. Now, we cannot be sure that they are CA form a concrete pair, but CA is definitely an ordered pair. C must come before it. Okay. Now, D says in this case too, while a large number of countries are yet to ratify the GATT, India has not only ratified the treaty, but is also preparing to amend the Patents Act. So in this case too, tells you that it's a continuation to the idea that India is unwilling to take a contrarian stand, while the other countries have taken a contrarian stand in the past, which means D should follow AB as an example or as the more specific case of the same behavior displayed by these countries. The correct sequence, therefore, automatically is CABD.